to access the icaregifts.com website to send Tyrone Tucker a gift, you simply go into your Google account and in your search menu, you type in iCare Gifts. Now, it just so happens that I have iCare Gifts already in my history. So then you click on the Find a Loved One. That will bring up a menu that you need to put in their details. As you can see, I've already put in Ty's details, so it's got my information in there, but basically it is in Florida, so you want to keep that on Florida. The facility is Monroe County Detention Center, so Monroe County, and then you can either put in his last name or his inmate number, but I found it easily with his surname. And then that will bring up the result with his name, and you simply click on that name. You just need to confirm if this is the person you're looking for. Click yes, and that will then take you into the shop. So you can scroll down, you can use the menu button at the top. There is gift packages and fresh food, all different types of stuff. So apparently he quite likes coffee, and he now has access to a weekly stationery package as part of his pro se defendants package. So his stationery is now taken care of, so you don't need to send him any stationery. The gift packs were actually quite good. Snacks and more. Let's have a look. Okay, so then it brings up all the list of different packs, prepaid packs that you can send. Now, I was trying to send him, where is it? Apparently this Jumpin' Java one is quite a good one, being the coffee connoisseur. But I was trying to send this one, the quick pack. So if you tap on the actual item, it brings up what is in there, how much it is, and it itemizes everything that's in there. So there's a couple of different types of pre-made coffees, chips, chocolate, biscuits, and the likes. So you then just add that to your cart, and then you go to the top right-hand corner where your cart now has a 1 in it, or whatever, how many you've chosen, and you click on the cart, and then you can write a pre-made message, basically. You can choose whichever one you would like, whatever suits you, and then you proceed to payment. So that has included the delivery charges. You can check how long it will take for your gift to arrive, and you can contact them should you need to. And then it's just a matter of going through to the checkout and putting in your banking details. Now,